Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix maps not showing on Instagram. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Instagram app and go to your DMs. Normally, you should see a maps feature there, but if it's missing, don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, you want to head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Check if there's an update available. If there is, make sure to update the app because the maps feature might not appear if you're using an older version. Now, if updating doesn't really fix it, you go ahead and uninstall the Instagram completely from your device. To do that, just press and hold the Instagram icon, or from here, just simply tap uninstall to remove the app. And then when it's removed, reinstall Instagram from the App Store or Play Store. Now, this gives you a fresh installation with all the latest updates and features, including the new maps. After installing, log back into your account, head over to your DMs again, and you should see the maps feature reappear or appear. And basically, that's it. Super simple fix. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.